So one of the hardest things about freestyling is actually just coming up with the next word. Unless somebody's giving you words to freestyle about, or unless you're using a random word generator, which we'll talk about later, just thinking of actually what the next word is going to be can be really difficult. So this exercise is to help you with two things. One, to put the word on the 4 to lock into the 4. But secondly, to actually just create words or think of words that you're going to use. We're intentionally not trying to rhyme with this. So on the 4, we're just going to put a word, and on the next 4, we're going to put another word. And we're going to continue doing that and see if we can generate lots and lots of words. You'll find that as you do this, the one word that you use will trigger the next word. So for example, you might use the word peace, and then the next word, the word you can think of is love. So you're kind of making links between words. So words are going to trigger other words. The key thing we're trying to practice is putting in a word on the 4 and just developing that speed of thought. And this is sounds really simple. Just put a word on the 4, any word from the millions of words. But actually you'll find it's not as simple as it seems. So let's have a go. 2, 3, space. 1, 2, 3, table. 1, 2, 3, goal. 1, 2, 3, fly. 1, 2, 3, peace. 1, 2, 3, love. 1, 2, 3, destiny. 1, 2, 3, snare. 1, 2, 3, love. 1, 2, 3, family. 1, 2, 3, heart. 1, 2, 3, pen. 1, 2, 3, phone. 1, 2, 3, pad. 1, 2, 3, terrible. 1, 2, 3, destiny. 1, 2, 3, chance. 1, 2, 3, punctuation. 1, 2, 3, hair. 1, 2, 3, cut. 1, 2, 3, doctor. 1, 2, 3, footballer. 1, 2, 3, spark. 1, 2, 3, try. So as you can see, that wasn't easy trying to think of just the next word, and you will also see that some words triggered other words. Now, another thing you can combine with this is using the alphabet. So when you're cycling through those words, your first word, you're trying to think of a word beginning with A. Next word, you're trying to think of a word beginning with B. Now this is intentional because using the alphabet, when you can't think of the next word or the next topic to go on to, sometimes just pick a letter from the alphabet, pick T. And from that T, you'll start to think of a word, okay? It could be terrible, or it could be timing, or it could be tomahawk, okay, or totem pole. But you can use the alphabet to help you get into the next word. And then you're thinking, I can't think of the next word, let's just pick a letter E. Okay, see if you can come up with something with that. Ebony, for example. So on each 4 count, you're putting in a word beginning with A, and then the next count beginning with B, and see if you can get through that whole alphabet. Okay, that's a challenge for you.